Super fresh at hot off the press. Artista update para sa inyong mga beshi.
OMG! May pa-surprise cake pala si Alex Gonzaga para kay Mikey sa birthday nito. As in, full effort si Alex, super cute na cake. Pero ang pinaka nakaka-touch, yung sinabi ni Alex na, "Because of you we make us happy. Life isn't always easy but being your wife makes it all worth it. Thank you for being the husband I've always needed. Happy birthday, Mikey." Grabe, heart-melting yung message. Kita mo talaga na kahit puro kalokohan si Alex on cam. Pagdating kay Mikey, sobrang sincere at in love siya. Ang sweet ng moment na to, kulang na lang. May fireworks.
Go, Polly!